Hey guys, if you joined, just tell me in the chat whether you can hear me properly and you can view my screen properly. Hey, hey guys, are you able to hear me properly and you can see my screen properly? Stream is good. It's the first time I'm streaming, so that's why I just want to make sure that everything is fine before we get into the charting. Sure, TCM, Josia, you want to check TCM? Let's look at TSM, sorry. Taiwan Semiconductors, what's going on here? I did chart this before. Yeah, seems like uh, I did look at it. Wow, it's looking pretty good actually. So we have a channel here that we are inside this channel, and at this point we are halfway through that channel. Let's take a look. Is there a news on that one? Volume is good. Josie, are you looking for day trade? Day trade? Because that will. I'll look at daily chart right now if you're looking for long term. Otherwise, I'll just go for hourly. Yes. Right now, I think it's forming some cup here. Arc. So there's a gap here also that we can fill. Just look at this. So there are two possibilities here. Here and come back from this resistance. I can draw it here like this. Or we go from here, go upwards, and look at this day trading. Okay, so it's possible that tomorrow it might come back from this. We do have a gap above that we can fill, and it can form a handle. But at the same time, if there is like more buyers that comes in, so we can actually go higher too. But make sure you wait for this to break to go out of this, get into this gap first. So I will wait for here to here from here to break, and then at least make a stop loss here. Here. So that looks like a good trade. I mean, there's a gap fill on the upside here, so that you can day trade definitely. But overall, I think it will come back a little bit. It will retrace back, but I think it's gonna fill that gap first. So that looks good for day trading. DKNG. Let's take a look at DKNG. Yeah, so I was looking at this stock actually. So you see that it forms this bear flag here. I was waiting whether it should break this support here, and then we can sell it down, or we can buy it if it goes up. Now this can go either way. Seems like my stream is guys. Is my stream good or is it a problem? Because it's showing me that it's not receiving enough video. Can someone put in the chat? It's not receiving enough offers. So I was talking about DKNG. So it's forming a bear flag here. Now, if it breaks this support line, I'll look to short it. And to see the short, I will place trade right here after it breaks here. Put a stop loss in the beginning of this flag. Normally, the amount how much it can go down is based on the pole of the flag. So let's just measure that. Where is that to price range? This is my, I'll consider this as pole. So you take it. And this will become my take profit zone. Now, it's possible that it might go above it, so it breaks this bear flag and goes up. In that case, the trade will be bullish, and then you will enter your entry here. Where is it? Here, and then look for this resistance and put your stop loss around here. So these two, so that the stock can go either like this or go down. Is there any more questions? Just feel free to put in a chat if there's any more questions on this, on DKNG. So what I think, I was looking into DNG myself, and I wanted to wait for it because there is no clear indication where the stock will go. It can go down or up. Now, if it goes down, then there are few. So this is the main support that I look, and this actually coincides with our trade. So I think this will be a good trade if it breaks down. And if it goes up, obviously this support is my so this can be actually a good trade for tomorrow. I'm gonna put it in my watch list for tomorrow. I have this special watch list called. Oh, it's already there. So I was already considered DKNG for day trading. So I keep all my tickers that I am considering for day trading in this watch list. Now, if there's no other ticker from you guys, I want to look at NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is going great as per a trade, but the only concern I have is that my spreads are really far. So it's like around 260-ish, and if it hits 260, then we're gonna get a lot of good returns. But if not, then at least we'll get some returns. But so far, NVIDIA is going as per our plan. So I drew this third wave. So if you look at this wave, so we retrace here. Abdul, yes, it's a good stock to hold for long term. Yes, DKNG, and we can retrace back. Okay, so for Square also, if you look at this, I'm also considering Square. It's my today watch list. I'm looking for a clear trend to form. I might go bullish because even if it breaks down, it still is within this channel of handle. So you can actually play Square as a day trade with this as a resistance, and then it can go from 257 to 267 ish. It has this potential of staying within this channel. And tomorrow it is possible. Let's look at day trade if it's possible. If there is any. Oh, I did consider Square for day trade. Yes, it found this pattern and then it breaks out of that pattern. If you look at on a smaller scale, what does it do? Let me delete this. Okay. I don't see clear waves, but if you look at this, how much retracement happened in this? Not much. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I think Square might come down a little bit tomorrow to this range, and I will watch this range to enter my trade, this zone, for day trading, at least. Then it might go up, and this is definitely our resistance here. Is there any other ticker you guys wanted to take a look at? So that will be my trade tomorrow. I'll watch for this zone tomorrow. Enter my trade here. Uh, my trade here and play till this resistance with a stop loss around 0.6 fib. Yeah, I swung a small spread. It's up after hours. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on after hours. Extended. Okay, so it's right here. Yeah, after hours doesn't give a lot of signal for TA up after hours. We'll know more tomorrow. Yeah, so it almost feels like this is forming this wave. If I go to my, so this is my second wave. So it seems like this is my first wave. The third, fourth, and fifth is just arbitrary, but this is first wave. Second will probably in this zone. Then third might go up from here. If you project third wave is normally at 1.618 fib level, and fifth is normally here, four around here. So that's what I'm thinking actually for Square. So we'll see tomorrow what happens. But this is a good trade actually for tomorrow. I'll keep an eye on this one. So DK and Square both are in my today list. You want to enter tomorrow? So something like that. This is not primary, so I'll change it to something smaller. Intermediate maybe. What did I do? What is this?